Hello guys, sorry for the disruption. I don't know why it suddenly off and it does not come again. Now it is coming, I think. Yeah, now without any wasting any time, let we start the video so that we do not waste lot of time. 1 second guys. Yeah guys, we'll start fundamental identities which I was saying. Let me start without wasting any time. 1 second, guys. This time I need to see that if suddenly it goes, I can notice that it has went. After saying something, if it is not, I don't know, it will be problem, right? So I am. See. 1 second, guys. I need to make some alterations. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'll explain the fundamental identities to you. As I said, let's start without any delay. Please do like who are seeing right now. Sorry for the disturbance caused by me. Now, let, as I said, to consider to you this opposite side as y, and adjacent side as r, and hypotenuse as x. By doing this, we can derive this formula. Okay, what I'll do by using Pythagoras. Y square is equals to y square plus x square is equals to r square. Now divide the entire equation by r. Divide the entire equation by r square. So what you'll get, y square by r square plus x square plus r square is equals to 1. Now what I said, you first you take the powers. Wait 1 second. Let me write like this: y by r to the power whole to the power square plus x by r to the whole to the power a 2 is equals to 1. If you write like this, um if we take, sorry for the noise disturbance guys, I don't know. Now using this, y by r will become sine square theta and x by r will become cos square theta. Okay, I'll write it: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. In this way the formula will be derived. For all those three you can derive like this only. Okay, now let me derive for tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. Before that, a small request: once to like, share and subscribe to Saraswati online classes. Okay, 1 second guys, some I need to see this. Yeah, the thing is fine. For tan square theta plus 1, how we will derive is by you take this sine square theta guys. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Divide the entire equation by cos square theta. This is easy, I think, for you. If you divide sin square theta by cos square theta, it will become, and wait, I'll show you that also. It will become like this: sin square theta by cos square theta plus cos square theta by cos square theta is equals to 1 by cos square theta, and this will get cancelled. And now do this process: sine by cos to the power whole gives rise, plus cos square will get cancelled, and you write 1 by cos theta whole square, right, like this. Now sin square by cos square, sin by cos is tan, right? Now it will become tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 1 by cos is equals to secant square theta by reciprocal relations, right? This is the formula which we derived, and the homework to you guys is to find out using sin square plus cos square is equals to 1 divided by sin square, and to derive 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta. I'll show you in first write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and divide the entire equation by sine square theta. What you will get, you see. This is homework to you guys. Please do this homework. Okay. Now I need to explain to you one of the some things. That is, what I need to explain to you is, one second guys. Let me see, this is homework to you guys. Okay, please do this homework. And this is reciprocal identities, I have told you. Quotient identities, I have told you. Let's do some problems. Okay, first let you see the problem. Example: simplify sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. There are four options. I'll give you 30 seconds. You can solve this. After 30 seconds, I'll be back. Okay? Till then, solve. I am back, guys. I have given enough time, I think, to you. Now, let me solve this question. Okay, how do I approach to it? See, 1 second. Now, first, sin sin theta sin theta plus by 1 plus cos theta, you multiply 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, and after this add the term plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Did this process, and as I said, sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, the result will be the if you multiply that, sin theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta. That will be the answer. If you solution, if you multiply 1 minus cos theta, and that result you add to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Okay, here I do not have space. You can add in your book neatly, and the result, sorry, the after you add those things, sin theta into 1 minus 1 second, sin theta into 1 minus cos theta plus sin square theta was the thing. Now we cancel square and sin theta. Now what will be left? 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. And now you do take LCM. Sin theta 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta will be the LCM. Okay, if you take LCM, then the answer will be 2 cosecant theta. How? 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta minus cos theta plus cos theta will get cancelled, and sin theta will be remain here. You take out add 1 minus 1, you add 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 1 by sin theta is the reciprocal of 1 of sin theta is cosecant theta, so it is 2 cosecant theta. See the options. The options will be the A will be the correct answer, right? A will be the correct answer. In this way you need to take your answer. Okay, now we'll move to the next problem. In the last problem, the multiplying 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is very important. If you do not do that step, the answer will not get. More steps need to be done. This is the simplest way of doing your answer. Okay, now we'll move to the next. Simplify sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta by sorry, this is not a problem. This is a problem. Cos theta by 1 minus tan theta, tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. How will you do this? See, in order to do this, you can take first only the, if you want, you can take first only the LCM. Wait 1 second. The LCM will be, no, you don't take, first wait 1 second. Now write for cos theta by 1 minus, split the tan theta as, first you convert all the tan theta and cot theta into sin theta by cos plus sin by 1 second. 1 second, guys. Now write sin theta 1 minus cos by sin. This will be the expansion of tan and cot in terms of sin and cos, right? After you do this, now take LCM 1 minus sin A. The denominator I am writing, not the numerator. Numerator I'll write afterwards. Wait 1 second. The in the denominator, take LCM as cos A as LCM and cos A minus sin A. This will be the denominator. Okay. The denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. So the first left hand side, that is cos by tan 1 minus tan A, will be cos square A by cos A minus sin A. Okay, this will be the thing. And on right side, I'm doing the sin A by 1 minus cos A sin A. That denominator part, take LCM as sin A and sin A minus cos A. Denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator, so it will be sin square A by sin minus cos A. Now take LCM of these two both. Okay, cos A sin A, so cos A minus sin A into sin A minus cos A. Take this LCM and you multiply cos square the down part will be, wait 1 second, the denominator part is in the form of 1 second, guys. The numerator, if you multiply cos, sorry, if you take LCM, I did the wrong step. If you take LCM, the both are same, cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A, right? So as I said, the LCM will be cos A minus sin A. First which I wrote was wrong. This is right. Cos A minus sin A, the numerator part will sin minus sin A, and the numerator part will be cos square A minus sin square A. So if we take the whole common of the numerator, cos, one second, cos plus, minus cos minus sin to the power whole square divided by cos minus sin. This term and this will get cancelled, right, because they are same, and the answer will be cos A minus sin A. This will be the answer to that question. Let's see which cos. We got cos A plus cos cos A plus sin A. So the answer will be sin A minus cos A. Wait, one second. What is this? The answer to that will be B, as per our knowledge. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, that is, this is a JEE Mains 2013 question. The expression tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A. See the options. The options are in tan A and cot A, right? Tan A, cot A, sin A. I'll give this as also as homework. What I gave you as homework. This as homework, and this in fundamental identities. This I gave you as homework, right? And that's all. Now we'll move to the next.
ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತ್ತ ನಿಂದು.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Now we'll continue. I gave you the two problems as homework. You must do, I'll not do those things. Let me do this. You just start sharing this live session so that the world gets to know live quality good content is being provided by some channel called Saraswati Education Online Classes. Okay, this is correct, right? And this, one second, guys. Let f of x is equals to 1 by k, 1 by k sin to the power kx plus cos to the power kx, where x belongs to r and k is less greater than or equal to 1. Then f to the power f 4x minus f 6x equals to what? Any guesses? The log functions I did not teach to you, but I think you can do. Simply see the log function I did not teach to you, right? So f of 4, it is read as 4 to the 4, 4 is the base and f is the power, I think. Let me explain you those things in the upcoming classes. Now I'll just say the answer. For if for your curiosity, you can check it out on online anywhere. Okay, the answer will be B. Okay, sorry, I took by mistake this question. I forgot. I did not teach right to you. The answer will be 1 by 12. You can check out for your curiosity. I have said it. Yeah. Now we'll go to the trigonometry of standard angles. Trigonometry of standard angles. Okay. Now trigonometric ratios of standard angles. How to find those? As this you might be knowing, because you must be taught in earlier classes, right? I will not teach this. Okay, it is a waste of time in teaching the again and again the concepts, but I'll teach one, that's all. Nothing more than I'll teach for you. 1 second. 45 degree. Take a triangle with angles 45 degree, 90, 45, 45, or 45, 90, 45, like that. Anyway you can say. Now if you want to find out the sine 45, what will you do? They are given values a root 2a. These are the values you must remember. Otherwise, you just remember this table if you do not want to memorize all this stuff. Okay. Sine 45. I recommend children should memorize the table which I'll giving in a later while. Okay. Now, just focus on the class. Sine 45. What is sine? P by h. P is a by h. Sorry. P by h, that is hypotenuse. A by root 2a, that is 1 by a by root 2a. A will get cancelled, so the answer will be 1 by root 2. This is the answer. You can check for sine 45 degrees. Okay, if you want you can check those. And let's take for tan 45. Now first we'll do for cos 45, then we'll go for that. Cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? Cos is base by hypotenuse. Let's take base. What is base? A by root 2a. Base by hypotenuse. That is same as the sine 45 degree. Okay. Now for tan 45 you can take in two ways. I'll show you first way, that is sine by cos, right? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. The denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. If you transfer upward side, that will be the thing. The root 2 get cancelled and 1 will be the remaining. So tan 45 is the one. You can check in the trigonometric table. And you can calculate in another way also. What is tan? Tan is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is, what is perpendicular? Wait 1 second. Perpendicular is A and base is also A. So what will you take? Tan is equals to 445 degrees equals to A by A. So the answer will be 1. In this way also you can calculate, in that way, and that method also you can calculate. In any method you wish you can calculate. Okay. Now you can calculate for 30 degrees, 60 degrees. I have given you diagram. You should work out. Otherwise, you will be lazy in your room. Okay. 0 degree, 90 degree. This is the table I wanted to show for you. Okay. See this table. In this table I have shown you. I wish in your table. Please do memorize all this. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, quad up to 90 degree. Then in tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll give you up to 180 degrees, so that it will be useful. Now let's see some concepts. Wait 1 second. One second, guys. Sorry for the disruption, guys. Now I want to teach you some of the things. Wait. I have to tell you three systems which we measure the angles. What is angle first? I'll read out the definition. Definition of an angle. What? Definition of an angle. Wait 1 second. Definition of angle. Measure of an angle is the amount of rotation. What does this mean? Take a line like this. If you wrote in a circle, if you rotate this in a anti-clockwise direction, it will go like this, right? This side is called initial side, and if you go here it will be here like this, right? So this side is terminal side. Okay, this side is the initial side, this is the terminal side. The measure of an angle is the amount of rotation performed to get the terminal side from the initial side is known as an angle, and the angle between them is always taken in the following alpha, like alpha, beta, gamma, theta, A, B, C, etc. Okay, and I want to tell you that if the angle rotates like this upwards in an anti-clockwise manner, A for anti-clockwise manner, then it will be taken as positive. Okay, if the angle rotates in a clockwise manner, C, then the degree is taken as negative. Okay, now we'll see the system of measurements. What do we see? System of measurements. Okay, there are three type of system of measurement. First, sexagesimal system. What? Sexagesimal system of measurement. In the sexagesimal system, we divide one right angle triangle into 90 equal parts. How many equal parts? 90 equal parts. And in 90 equal parts, we divide each part. Each part is called as 1 degree. What is degrees is called 1 degree. We represent usually by this, by writing the number 1 and putting a circle on that represents the degree. Okay, and divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts, and each part of 60 equal parts is called as 1 minute, and we do represent the 1 minute as by writing 1 and putting 1 colon on like this. Okay, and we divide 1 second, we divide 1 minute into again 60 equal parts, and each part is called as 1 second. How do we represent 1 second? We do represent 1 second like this. 1 second. In this manner we do represent. Now we'll go to the second type of system, that is centesimal system. In centesimal system, I'll write it cleanly. Centesimal system. Centesimal system. In centesimal system, we divide one right angle into 100 equal parts. Okay, 100 equal parts. Each part is called 1 grade. We do represent 1 grade like this by writing G on the top of a number, and that is called 1 grade in centesimal system. And in centesimal system, we do divide 1 grade into 60 equal parts again, and each part is called 1 minute, and we do represent 1 minute as same as the sexagesimal system, and we do divide 1 minute into 60 equal parts, and each part is called as e- 60 equal parts, and we divide 1 minute into 60 equal parts, and sorry, it's not 60, here we divide into 100 equal parts, 1 minute into 100 equal parts, and each part is called, and 100 equal parts, each part is called 1 second, and we do represent like this as same as sexagesimal system. Here we do divide 100 parts. There in sexagesimal system we do divide in 60 parts. That's all. And conversion of sexagesimal system to centesimal system. One right angled one right one second guys. One right angle is equals to 90 degrees and is equals to 100 grades, right? 90 is equals to 100 grades, and we do divide by 90 on the both sides. So 1 degree is equals to 10 by 9 grades. We do use this in order to convert degrees to radians. And there is another formula in order to convert grades to degrees. How 100 equal parts is equals to 90 degrees. We divide both sides on 100. 1 grade is equals to 9 by 10 degrees. Okay, this is the conversion of grades to degrees. Okay, and and um let's do some problems. Convert 36 degrees into grades. 36 degrees into grades. Okay, how to convert? We use the formula 1 degree is equals to 10 grades by 9. We multiply 36 on the both sides, so 36 degrees is equals to 10 by 9 into 36. 9 1 36, 9 ones are 9 fours are 10 into 4, that is 40. 36 grades is equals to 36 degrees is equals to 40 grades. This is the answer to that problem. Okay, and now we will do some interesting thing. In a circle, wait 1 second. In a circle, 1 second. This is a circle, just think. And what is the whole circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? How this came and how we are using that, let's study it now. That okay. Now we cannot always confine ourselves to the right angle triangle. There are much larger angles above 180 degrees and between 360 degrees and many more, right? In order to know that, we use certain logic. In a coordinate system, this is in a two-dimensional coordinate system. This is x-axis, y-axis, minus x, y-axis, minus x-axis, right? If we take a triangle like this, let's say this as P and this as Q and this as O. This P will be x comma y. So Let's take P, comma PQ and O, right? And I'll draw in this is y-axis, this is x-axis. The triangle will be like this. This is P, this is Q, this is O. And now we do get this is 90-degree, and we do get certain formulas, new formulas for sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Okay, we do get all this. Let's list them one by one. Sin theta, what will be sin theta? Sin theta will, wait 1 second, I do read the things properly so that you get an idea. Let's take this as y. This is the r, radius. Let's take radius, and no 1 second. Let system. This is let's take this as r, and this as x, and this as y. Now this is a perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, this is base. Now we do define sine is equals to y, that is perpendicular, by hypotenuse, that is y by r. This comes a new definition to the sine, and complement of sine, that is cosine, that is cos, that is equals to x by r by the definition, and tan will be y by r. By this, I think you can derive the reciprocals of this also. And in tomorrow's class, we will learn some more things. Before we wind up the session, I need to teach you one more system of measurement, that is radians. What? Radians. I'll introduce to you the radians. In the next class we'll see some derivation proving is there. We'll see those. Just today I'll introduce you to that. Radian is a measure of an angle at the center of a circle subtended by an arc of length radius of a circle. One radian is we do represent one radian as 1 to the power c. This is called the radian. I'll do repeat again. The radian is the measure of an angle at the center of a circle subtended by an arc length of radius. What does this mean? In a circle, let's take it, this is r, and same r. This is also r, you think, and this is the arc length that you have moved line or taken an arc. Okay, you have taken an arc from here to here. This is also r, this is also r, and so the theta is 1 degree. They have told this as in definition what I read now in your textbook. And as I said, I introduced to you radian. What I'll do explain again. If you take a circle, this is the radius, and keeping the same radius, that is length of the radius, draw an arc. This will be the arc, right? This will be the arc, and this is also r, this is also r. What will be the r length AB? We'll find tomorrow in the next class. RKB, and RKB will be nothing but angle between the sorry, this, let's take A, this B, wait, here I cannot write. Let's take a circle, and is it coming live, right? You take a radius measurement and draw an arc. Let this be A, this be B, and this be O. The arc length AOB RKB is directly is equal to the this theta. The theta is equals to 1 radian. If you can take any circle of any radius. If keeping the radius as constant, you do draw an arc AB, then the radian will be correct. Okay. In tomorrow's class, I'll tell you the conversions and will prove that radian is a constant measure, and we will prove that length of an arc of a circle of radius r subtending theta radians at center. Prove that L is equals to r theta. Okay, let's we do all this in a tomorrow's class. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching the channel. Let's crack Shay with seeing live classes on Saraswati online YouTube classes for free with interaction. If anyone has doubts, can ask now or in between the chats. I do read the chats. Don't think I'm not reading the chats. I do read the chats in my another mobile. Okay, that's all for today in the maths class. Let's meet again in the next chemistry class. Thank you. Bye bye.